Thank you so much, ma'am. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, all, and welcome to this session. So we are going to start. Sorry for the delay. I'm sure everybody ready to learn something new in this class. So till date, yesterday we have learned a very important feature of MS Word, that is a table. How to do the calculation if we are in Word, because everybody knows if like calculations can be done only using the Excel. But if we have the little bit calculation, then we can use the tables in a Word. Yesterday, I gave you the example of trial balance, balance sheet. Make sure everything is like it's a clear in a table how I calculated the things. Okay, so okay, let me share the screen first. Okay, now I'm sure my screen is visible. So yesterday I gave you the example of how to create the balance sheet, how to create the trial balance using the table option in. So a brush up, a fast brush up of the yesterday last session. That is what insert. Then there is an option of insert table. When you insert the table, then to hide this. Okay. Insert, then table. There is an option of how many columns you want, how many rows you want. Suppose you don't want from here. You want insert table, you have to mention here the number of columns and number of rows. Suppose I want number of columns 5 and number of rows 2. And behavior is fixed column width. It's a auto, it will automatically take the column width according to the window, and then if you wish, then you can fix the auto fit to contents. According to contents, it like automatically adjusts the widths in the row. But the basically we used this option, and then okay. Now this is a table. First of all, the table is here. Now suppose I am having serial number, then name, then rate, then quantity. Okay, yesterday at the end of the session, I gave you this example. Then second row, and I want to reduce this rows width. So here is an option. You can reduce manually also. Okay. Just a minute. Huh? Just a minute. Wait the students. Wait, background noise is there, so I.
ছুটি করুক যাই করুক রে বাবা, আমি তো গাড়ি পেয়েছি। আমি তো টিকিট কেটে কলকাতায় এসেছি।
Okay. So
ওরা ওখানে
now it's mute. So I'm deleting this space because the space is there. So you can delete the space. Okay. Then just select it. If you feel after the, okay, no spaces after the word, no space is there. Now next, serial number is 1, the name is RAM, and the rate is suppose 3250, 3250, and the quantity is 25. Okay, product we will do using the formula, then hard disk, and then it's a 3200, and the quantity is 15. Then again the third one is monitor, then 4500, and the quantities are 15. And then again fourth, again suppose say if it is RAM, another RAM. Okay, another time I purchased the RAM and the rate is 322. Then the quantity is 15. Suppose another time I purchase the hard disk and the rate is 250 and the quantity is 12. Now at the end I want total row. Total. Then here I want the average rate of my item. Okay. So in a table design, because while inserting the table, you will get the table design and table layout tab. In a table design, there is an option of header row. So first of all, we are going to learn from starting. What is header row? Header row is a nothing if you are taking some kind of design of the table. For example, these are the designs available for the table. For example, this one design. And I don't want to make the header row, so just untick it. So it automatically remove the background color, because see, by default it makes the header row, so that's why it highlighted that row. But if it is, then it will highlight that. Then total row. What is total row? Suppose I don't have this row number 6 mouse 1 to 5 and 100. Then I'm not having the last row. I want it should insert a total row. So see, total row, this makes this row as a total. Okay. Now again, I want to insert a one more row. Then again, I'm going to tick here total row. So it will mention this is the total row. Why it is? Because it highlighted. Now see, upper side the double underline is there. Now total. Then next, in the whatever the font I'll type here, it takes automatically the bold. Then in a table design, again the option is banded rows. Banded row means one dark, one light, one dark, one light. If I don't want, then untick it. See, same thing is a first column. I don't want first column should be bold. So I should remove from here. Same thing is a last column. Okay, and then banded column, one is a highlighted and second one is a light. So again, third one is a highlighted and the fourth one is a light. Now, the main option is how can I take the total rate and multiplied by quantity total. So in a table layout, the formula option is given. Under the formula, please remove this formula sum left. I don't want sum left. I want product. So you can take from here product. And while the taking of the product, it is giving me the two brackets and left. Left means left side product it should be. And then press OK. Number format if you wish, then you can take. And then just copy paste. Copy paste. But it is giving me the same value. So right click, update field. Right click, update field. See, here is the option. Again, Control V, Control V, Control V, and Control V. Then update field is a compulsory. Update field is a compulsory. Once you update the field, so next time you should use the F4. F4 is a shortcut key to repeat the last action. See? Okay. Now here I want sum above. So just change the formula. Then formula sum above. Okay. Right. And here I want total quantity. So F4 sum above. And here I want average of the rates. Then again table layout. Then formula from here average. So just remove this formula. Okay, equal to should be there. Then average ABC. And then average left. Because left side, no, average above. Above sides, above figures. I want average of the above figures. See, this is the average. So I'm sure everybody understood. Now, everybody understood? If any problem, then please message. Drop the question. Window is not visible. Ma'am, nothing is visible. How? Just a minute. Okay, just a minute. There. Now, is it visible? Is it visible? Now it is visible, now. Make sure. Is it visible or not? Still not visible, but it is showing me, it is sharing. I shared the screen. Not visible, how it is possible? It is showing me that the screen is shared. Okay, once again, I'm going to share it. Share. Please check. Please check. MS Team is visible. But see, now the word is visible or not? Prince, word is it visible or not? Come on fast, please answer. Okay, 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 okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for the prompt reply. Huh? Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so see, I used here the, okay, once again I'm giving you, okay, once again I'm going to give you the examples. So see, this is the thing I created. This is the table I created here, and I took a design from here. This one design I took. Okay, I have taken this one design, and header row means this red head. The first row should be highlighted. If I untake it, then first row it will not be highlighted. Suppose it is. I'm going to take a header. Then the total row. Total row means last row is a total row. In the upper side is a double underline is there. If I'm untake it, then double underline has been gone. Now again I'm taking it banded row. Banded row means one row is highlighted, one row is not highlighted. Then first column will be highlighted, first column will not be highlighted. Okay, and then same last column and then banded column. So this is a very simple option of the design. From here, I have taken the formula. I want to take the formula. In the table layout, there is an option of formula. But for first place the cursor where you want to insert the formula. I insert the cursor here, and then in a table layout, data, then formula. In the formula, here is by default it is taking sum let, but I don't want this. So is equal to, and then product. From here, product, the function list is given. Product left. Why left? Because left side is figure is given now. Then okay. Then again F4. Then F4. F4 is a shortcut key to repeat the last action. F4. But here I cannot use the F4 because I don't want to use the product formula. Then again go to the table layout, then data, then formula, and here is a sum above. Okay, see, now the sum has been given. Then here I also want sum above, so F4. It is a shortcut key to repeat the last action. Then rate. I don't want sum here, I want average rate. So again table layout, then data, then formula, and then just delete the function name. But equal to sign, do not delete the equal to sign. Then I want to use the average. Average left, above. ABOVE. See, now average is there now. So you can do the but small calculation. If you have the large amount of data for the calculation, then don't use the word. But only see, for the reporting purpose, I can use the table here now. Because see, sometimes we need to mention the balance sheet in the report, or sometimes we need to mention some figures in the table report. Then you need to insert the table, and then you should learn the complete table, how we can insert the formula. Is it clear? Is it clear? Clear now? Anybody have some doubt? Because I am going to give you the explanation on next option. Table is completed right now. Is it clear? Answer me, anybody. Huh? Okay, should I move for the next? Okay. Now the next is suppose this time at the end of the table, after completing all the entering the data and everything, I want to sort according to the item name. Why so? Because RAM, monitor, hard disk, and then it should be sorted. So there is an option in the table design. There is an option, table layout. There is an option of sorting. There is a option of sorting in the okay, I should maximize it. I should maximize it, okay. And control F1. I told you, na, control F1 is a shortcut key for the collapsed report. Then you can sort the data. When you click over here, sorting, then it is giving you the sort window. Then by what you want to sort, serial number, name, rate, make sure the header row should be ticked. If you are mentioning here no header row, then it will give you the column 1, column 2, column 3. But make sure the header row should be ticked according to what you want to sort, name. According to what you want to sort, name, and it should be in the ascending. Okay. See, according to the name, it ascends. It ascends the data. Okay, so first of all, total, and then I can use the count. Na? Here the count of the items. Count. Now I can use the sorting. The total should be exclude from the sort. So the sort I should select this. What by name. I should select from here because it is taking the total row in the sorting now. So that's why I should select. See, hard disk, monitor, mouse, RAM, but it is not taking the total above. Is it clear? At the end, okay, last. We want to remove the table because only we want to show the figures. So first of all, just remove the design. Okay, this is a plain design, and then convert to text. Table design, table layout, there is an option of convert to text by tabs. See? Okay. Is it clear? I'm sure everybody knows, everybody understood the things. Again, in an insert, there is an option of instead of table, you can insert the Excel spreadsheet. But later on, when we learn the Excel, then we can talk about the Excel spreadsheet, because presently we are not aware with the Excel. But little bit everybody knows about the Excel. So suppose we insert here the Excel sheet. Insert here the Excel sheet. Then you can directly insert here the Excel sheet. Excel will be open in the Word. See, Within a word, Excel is open. Okay, later on we will again check the importance of it. Then the next option is picture. It's a very simple option, so I'm not going to give you the clarification on this. Do it yourself. If you find some error, then I'll give you the explanation. Now the next is a very important thing, that is shapes. Shapes. You know, sometimes कभी-कभी क्या होता है पता है आपको? Sometimes I want to make a letter and here I want to write my office, like my address. Okay, or here I want to write my address. So how I can type again and again? I need to press here the first. I should move the cursor here. Then again I should type here. Then again I should move the cursor here. But instead of that, take a shape. First take a shape. Okay, just draw here. And then right click, edit text. Add text. And I am going to insert here. Okay. And why it is not visible? Why it is not visible? Because there is a line space. So I should remove the line space by pressing the Control+1. Still the line space is there. Then go to the home, go to the paragraph. And in the paragraph, there is option of don't add the space. And after I'm going to reduce the, see. Okay, now I should color it. I'm going to set the color of font to black color. And remove the background color. Right click, then format shape. Format shape. In a format shape, fill, no fill. I don't want fill. So no fill. And then no line also. No line also. Why text is not visible? Because color, because of the font color. So first set the font color. Right click, format shape, format shape, then no fill. If it is fill, then it is color should be black. Huh? Then size. And no fill and no line. See, now you can move here from anywhere you can. Now there is no need to press the cursor again and again. Only you need to move it. Is it? So this is a very good thing. Shapes ke through you can write anywhere. No need to place the cursor again and again, because for the shifting of the cursor, you have to press tab key, space bar. Okay, now next. Again, the next option is a very good option. That is the smart art. Here is a given, that is the smart art. To make the organizational chart, we used smart art. There are lots of designs available, list, process, cycle. Suppose I am going to take the list. I'm going to take the list for organizational chart. I'm going to take the list, or you can mention here the process also. Process also. See, I already taken one example. See, This kind of thing. You want to make a organization chart. Okay, so you can make here directly. For example, administrator. Okay, or ICMAI. This is the headings. Heading. Okay, now administrator. The first one is administrator. Then under that manager. Then again the manager. Two managers are there. Then staff. So this kind of thing you can create using the, but this you should edit in the text to pen. If you want to edit again, then there is an option of text to pen. This is known as text to pen. You should edit here. And now you can change the design from here also. From here also you can take the design. You can change the design. Okay, so this is the tab key. Yesterday I told you, no? This kind of things you can create with the help of smart art. Very good option. In the word, this is a good option. And if it is not moving, then right click, wrap text, and just type. Then you can move it. Is it? So this is the thing how you can create the organization chart. If you want to like make the hierarchy, then also you can take the hierarchy type of smart art. There is an option of insert smart art, see hierarchy. Hierarchy. Or you can directly convert it into the hierarchy. From here, smart art design, then layout. Easily you can convert it. Easily you can convert. And if you don't want to convert it, then take a new. From here, insert smart art and then hierarchy. Okay. Like in a company, managements are there. Director 1, Director 2, Director 3. So where I should edit? Here. So first director name. First is director name. For example, Director 1. Then here is Director 2. Here is Director 3. Now next, under Director 1 in tab key. Then when you insert a tab key, then it automatically insert the. And suppose you want to insert a one more box, then enter. Then automatically it is giving you. See, yesterday I gave you the understanding of list now. So it is basically it is a nothing, it is a list. Okay. Any doubt related to this? Any doubt related to this? Any doubt? Count is incorrect. Chandrasekhar, why count is incorrect? I should check, huh? Okay. I'm sure you are talking about then it is 7, but like it is 6. Okay. Okay, Chandrasekhar. Why it is giving me the 7? Why it is giving me the 7? Because it is including this name also. This name also. So that's why it is giving you the, okay, 7. So it's a good thing you are I'm sure the smart art. Everybody learn the smart art. Clear. I'm not mute. Maybe sometimes see some network issues are there, but I'm not. Ma'am, I have doubt that after completion, see, you should not ask this kind of questions in the class. You should ask, you should mail to the contact person. Okay, now next. After like completing the table, smart art, there is an option of chart. If I am asking a one question, what is a chart? What is a chart? Can anybody give me the answer? What is a chart? What is a chart? I'm audible now? I'm sure I'm audible. What is a chart? What is a chart? Anybody? Try to answer the question. What is chart? Okay, nobody wants to give me the answer. Okay, so what is a chart? Basically, chart is used to chart is used for the display purpose. Okay, visualization. It's a visualization tool. If you want to compare like two datas, okay, then you can make the column chart to display the multiple values in a single axis. And chart is a comprise of x and y axis. Chart is a comprise of x and y axis. For example, insert, I'm going to insert a one chart. But whenever you insert a chart, then data should be taken from the Excel. Make note, please make this note, important note. Data should be taken from the Excel. Data always be you have to make in the Excel, then only you can create the chart. You can create the chart. Okay, so insert, then there is an option of chart. I'm going to insert a chart and I'm going to take a column chart. This is a column chart. This is a column chart. Okay. So immediately the moment I insert the chart, immediately it is opening. It is giving me the how to edit the data and it is opening the Excel. Suppose I am having sales. RAM. These are the sales figures. And these are the years 2024 and 2025. And I should delete this, or you can select this monitor also. In 2025, oh sorry, 2026. And RAM, hard disk, then monitor and mouse. Only I'm editing this thing. In the 2023, I sold 21. And in the 2025, I sold 25. And in the 2026, I sold 120. Then hard disk, I sold 35. And here I sold 120. Here I sold 200. Then monitors, 120, 150. And suppose it goes down, 125. Then mouse, 200, 300, 350. See, automatically it is taking the. See, it is showing you the comparison of sales. Now RAM, hard disk, monitor and mouse. 2024, 2025, 2026. And by default, it creates a one series 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 50. And suppose here I want to show the labels also. I want to show the labels also. So the moment you click here the plus sign, then you will get everything. You want to The X is title. X is title. Then X is title. And here is a primary, horizontal, and vertical. This is horizontal title. This is vertical title. See, X is title. You can edit it. You can edit it. Sales. Sales. And here, these are the items. Okay. Then here is a plus sign. Then data labels. What is data label? This column is shows 120. So you can set the data labels. See. Then data table. Whatever table you created in the Excel, it will show here also. See. Okay. Then very horizontal also. This is the chart. See, it is showing you the table also. Then items. And then if you wish, like chart title also, edit the chart title. So you can edit here. Sales comparison chart. Is it? So this is the way how you can edit. Any doubt? Any doubt? Yes, very good, Aryam. Very good. Visual presentation of data. Yes, very good. Is it clear now? Should I move for the next? Even you can change the chart type like line chart. Okay, you can change the chart type from here. Chart design, then chart style, or change the chart type. Suppose you want line chart. So for 3 lines are there, na? Because we have 3 names. So this is 2024. This is 2025 and this is 2026. RAM, hard disk, monitor. See, line chart, when the line chart is used, whenever you want to show the trends over the time. Trends over the time. Trend का मतलब समझते हैं ना? TREND, trends over the time. Okay, next. So after completing the chart, there is an option in a insert. There is an option of screenshot. This is a very important option. Sometimes we like suppose I want to like check the screenshot of the MS team and I want to send it somewhere else. So from here you can take the screenshot. See, screenshot. Because in the background my MS team is running now. In the background my MS team is running now. So I can take the screenshot. Suppose you don't want the background screen. Then insert in the screenshot, there is an option of screen clipping. You can take the screen. For example, suppose you only want to take the screen of this. Then see how many participants are there. What is the exact the messages it is showing me now? Right now, next. Next. In the insert, after the screenshot, there is a online videos. You can directly insert the online videos. Directly insert. It is a new feature of MS Office 365. Right? YouTube videos, slide share. Then there is an option of link. This is a very important thing. Why this is an important thing? Sometimes, you know, you have the audit report in your desktop, and this is like audit report of previous year. So you want to check the previous audit report. You won't link it. So just select this and press Ctrl K. You can link it, Ctrl K. Then where is your document? Your document is in desktop. So existing page, then go to the desktop and link that. Suppose your document is this. This is your document. This is your document. Okay. Now, okay. The moment you click here, then it will open that document. Is it? See? Right? So this is the thing how you can link it. And suppose you want to link it, you want to remove the link, then select, right click, then edit hyperlink. You want to edit it or you want to remove it, whatever. Okay, so existing file or web page. Web page means suppose you want to open from here ICMAI page. So just write here something, select it, press Ctrl K, and then page link www.icmai.org. See, it will open that page. Is it? So this is the important thing, you know, in the Word, so many things are important, but people are taken Word as a granted. And then they are taking some time to create the documents or the link in the Word. But if you know the Word in a proper manner, then you can easily create the reports or like whatever you want. Even in the Word, so many templates are there. Okay, now next. So this is the link. Then after the link, there is an option of bookmark. Anybody knows what is a bookmark? Anybody can give me the clarification of bookmark. What is a bookmark? Link once again. Okay, Sarika, no issue. See, this is my page. Here are the reports of previous years. Now the thing is, you have the previous reports, but previous reports are the document, na? Then you want to link here 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. 4 reports are there. So just select it, press Ctrl K, and existing file or web page. Now where your reports are. So I'm just like haphazard files I'm taking it. Suppose this is my report. In the, I think so, in a C drive. Documents. Or I'm taking from the downloads. Suppose this is my report. Okay. Now press OK. The moment you click here, it will open that PPT. This is the link. Same thing. How? See. Now select it. Ctrl K. You can link any document, whatever you have. Even from the network, you can link it. Anybody knows the network? Everybody understood now? आपके offices में 10 computers हैं. And 10 are connected. So you can even link through the network file also. Network की files को भी आप connect कर सकते हैं. Sarika, are you getting? You asked one question, ma'am. Repeat it again. Yes. Bookmark means, Banu, thank you so much. Bookmark means marking something or future reference or future study. Same thing is in a R word. Up now I am having in a word I am having so many pages. See, I am having so many pages. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pages I am having. Now, this is suppose this is my book. And regularly I am studying these notes. But today I only study first page and second page I want to study tomorrow. So this is my second page. This is my second page. Okay. See, this is my second page. Now I want tomorrow the second page will be appear directly. But it is not in a word. When you close the Word file, for example, I am closing it. When you close the Word file, and when you again open that Word file next day, when you again open that Word file next day, then it is showing me the first page, not a second page. First page, not a second page. But I want to move on that bookmark on which I left yesterday. जहां मैंने कल छोड़ा था, मुझे वहां जाना है, मुझे पढ़ना है वहां से. So before leaving or before closing the document, you should mark that. जैसे आप बुक्स में करते हो, मार्किंग कर देते हो ना, तो वैसे ही आप क्या करो, बिफोर लीविंग दैट, आप जहां पे आपने लीव कर दिया वहां कर्सर रखिए, इंसर्ट बुकमार्क, and I am going to give here the link, add, okay, and then now I am coming here and I want to go to the yesterday link. So Control G is a shortcut key for the go to, then bookmark. On which bookmark you want to move? On link set. See, now it is moving to the second page. Is it clear? समझ आ गया? समझ आ गया how we can mark the bookmarks? Not a watermark, Akansha. I am not asking the watermark. Bookmark. Is it clear? Bookmark. Bookmark is not under. Okay, no problems. See, okay, I'm going to give you the fresh example. This is the new document. Okay, here it is writing first. Here it is writing second, then third, then fourth, okay, and then fifth. So I am having 5 pages here, है ना? 5 pages है मेरे पास. Now, suppose I studied first page today, and tomorrow I want to study the second page or third page. But I closed it. Reading book. And I closed it. And after closing it, first I should close it. After closing it, again I opened it. But the cursor is on first page. And I don't remember where till which page I read the book. So instead of that, before leaving from the book, you should put a mark. जैसे suppose करिए मैंने 4th पे छोड़ दिया. So यहाँ पे 3rd पे छोड़ दिया. अब 3rd पे छोड़ने के बाद मैंने 4th स्टार्ट किया और वहां पे एक बुक कर्सर रखा और यहाँ क्या कर दिया, इंसर्ट बुकमार्क. And I marked red 1. मतलब मैंने यहाँ तक पढ़ लिया है. I read it, add, then I close it. Okay. Now again tomorrow I came and I opened my book. But I want the bookmark. I want to go to the bookmark. I want to move to the bookmark. Because कल मैंने जहाँ छोड़ा था मैं वहीं जाना चाहती हूँ. So I should press Control G and then bookmark read one. Good. See? Is it clear now? Is it clear now, Soumik? Is it clear? But see, Prasad, bookmark help us visit a particular website. So I'm not asking the bookmark about the website. Now I'm asking what is a bookmark in a word. Same thing is there, but in a word you can put a bookmarks. आप word में भी bookmarks रख सकते हो. But while assigning the bookmark, 3 restrictions are there. Because जब आप bookmark assign करते हैं तो you have to assign a one name. So you cannot assign the name which starts from number. You cannot assign the name which contains spaces. You cannot assign the name which contains specified character like dot and everything. Is it clear? Okay. So moving ahead for the next feature. Now, next is comments. You know, sometimes कुछ book read कर रहे हैं आप. Okay, कुछ book read कर रहे हैं. And you want to insert some comments in some words. So you can use this option. Header and footer we already seen, page number we already seen. Text box, recently I gave you the understanding about the shapes. So this is the text box. But here is important, when you insert the text box now, like this is the text box. Okay. And here you want to insert something, for example, we are learning MS Word 365. But the problem is, because this is what like we are learning, we have to fix the shape size. But we are learning MS Office is not visible. So you can take a one more box here. Insert. Okay. And then you can link these two boxes. First and second, just select both and there is an option of link. With the help of control key, you have to select first, then links two boxes. So this is the way how you can link the multiple boxes. Now, the next is even you can group it. Like suppose here I'm having two boxes. Okay, when I increase this box size, then it is not increasing this box size. So with the help of control key, first select both the boxes and right click, group it. Group. Now it will be considered as a single box. See, it will be considered as a single box. Is it? Next option. These are the simple options, so I'm not taking much more time on that. Next is, this is a signature line which is very important in our field. I'm sure everybody knows about the digital signature. This is a software which digitally sign in your documents. So you can use the digital signature software. For that, you have to purchase the license of that software and you will get a one PBX file and then you can insert the signature. And instead of that, you want directly the signature, like directly after the taking the printout, you want to sign it. Then thanks and insert the signature line. Insert, there is an option of signature line. Add the, you don't have the signature services, that's mean digital signature you don't have, then Microsoft Office signature line. Then signature, signer name, title, and okay. Email address also you can mention here. Enter. See, this kind of things is there. Now you can, like after taking the printout, you can put a sign here in front of X. So this is a good thing, very good thing. If you don't have the signature services, then this kind of things also you can take. Is it clear? Next is then layout reference mailing. This is the draw. It is very easy. I'm not taking much more time on that. These easiest features. In a design, there is a watermark. I think so. I read the comment of somebody else like about the watermark. So you can use the watermark also. And suppose instead of confidential, you want it should be the ICAMAI or your office name. So custom watermark, and instead of confidential, you can use the CMA. Okay, see now it is CMA. So this is the watermark, background image, and instead of that, again you can take a picture also. Picture watermark. Select picture from a file. Insert. See, now you have the CMA logo in your background. And it is the above portion of the CMA. So just right click over here and background, it should be behind text. Still not, so I should check. Okay. Now the next is, these are the watermark and then page border. You can set the page border also. Now layout. Margin, you can set the margin, you can select the orientation. By default, two orientations are there. One is portrait and second one is landscape. Presently, you are having the portrait orientation. Control F2. This is the print preview shortcut key. If you want landscape, then you can set from the portrait orientation instead of portrait orientation. It should be landscape. आड़ा और खड़ा जिसको बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में. Next. Now, the next is, again, we are going to start a very important, that is the reference. Okay, but before that, I should close all the Word document. Reference tab is a very important tab, you know. I'm closing all the documents. Everything I should close so that I can give you the clarification on the reference tab. That is very important tab, you know. Okay, finally, I close everything. Only one document is there. Then I should close this also. Right? Okay. Now, we are going to learn the reference tab. So, first of all, I should start a one blank document, then reference tab. Now, reference tab, in a reference tab, there is an option as the name suggests, reference tab. Take the reference and work whatever you want. By taking, you want to work something, but by taking the some reference. Okay, link. So there is a one option that is table of content. This is very important. I'm sure everybody read the books, whatever the institute provides you, or it is related to your course. So whenever you have the books, in the first page, index page is there. In the first page, index page is there. Everybody knows index page is what? Index क्या होता है मालूम होता है ना? समझ आता है? What is index? What is index page? Through the indexing, you come to know कि कौन से page पे कौन सा topic है. Okay. Through the indexing, you come to know on which page which topic is there. So same thing, we can create the index page in the Word also. For example, here, this is known as a table of contents. But when I insert the table of contents, now it is giving me what? No table of contents entry found. Why? Because nothing is there in our Word document. ना अभी तो कुछ है ही नहीं मेरे Word document. So in the next page, I am inserting here introduction of computers. And this is my first topic. In the next page, I am inserting here classification of computers. In the next page, I am inserting here hardwares. In the next page, softwares. In the next page, MS Office. In the next page, Word. In the next page, Excel. In the next page, PowerPoint. But if you check that table of content, is still no table of content entry found. Even you are updating it, then also it is saying no table of content entry found. Though we have the 9 pages, then again it is saying no table of content entry found. Why? Because please understand, computer, it is a deaf and dumb machine. It doesn't have eyes to see. It doesn't hear something. So whatever we are doing, it completely depends on that. So how it knows what contents it should include in your table? So first of all, you have to set the headings style. Yesterday we understood the style. You should set it in a heading style so that it will only know this is the, there is the heading, this one. Then this one. Then this also I want to include. And I forget to include the softwares. Then software will not come because though the softwares are there, but it is not set on the heading style. So software will not be there. Then in the last is out. Okay, now you can check. It's still no table of content entry found, but use the update table. See? Introduction of computers is on page 2. Classification of computers is on page 3. Hardware is on 4. And 5 is 5. But MS Office is on 6. Word is on 7. Excel on 8. PowerPoint is on 8. Then where is the software? Why software is not included, please? Why software is not included, please? Students who are listening carefully, please answer me. Why software is not included? Waiting for your reply. Okay, just I'm waiting for your reply. Reply me. Why software is not there? Here is no software. See, why software is not there? Reply me. Try. Why software is not there? Yes, software is not in heading style. Very good. So if we want a table of content, then everything should be on heading style. Again, there is an option if you are setting it in a heading 2 style. Suppose I set the software is on heading 2 style. Not heading style, heading 2. There is an option of heading 2 style. Then check. See, the software is, it will make the sub point of the hardware because I made it heading 2 style. Is it? Is it? Now I can customize this my table of contents, right? Because I want the heading 1 should be on red color and 14 size. So table of contents and custom table of contents. Show level 3 only, it is level showing me the 3 level because I can insert the level 3 till 3 level of headings. But I want more, then here maximum is 9. Maximum is 9. And I want to modify the TOC1, table of content 1. What I want to modify? The color should be red. From here you can set the color should be red. And the size should be 14. Press OK. And OK. And OK. See? Heading 2 is not on red color or 14 size. So maximum you can insert the 9 level. And you can modify the table of contents by selecting here the custom table of contents. Now it is hyperlink. See, when you click over here, it will directly jump to the second page. But you don't want it should not hyperlink. So again, go to the custom. And there is an option of use hyperlink instead of page numbers. Untick it. Is it? So I'm sure you learn the things. Okay. So table of content is a very, very important in our field. Basically, we want to learn the important in our field. And table of content is a very important in our field. Now footnote, very important again. Sometimes you have the lots of data in a first page. Now it is not possible to make a note here. So you want in the video there is some note. So you want to show there is some note related to video. So there is an option of footnote. Then see, in a video there is a footnote now here. When you double click it, it will be shifted on that note. Okay. So this is footnote. In the opposite of footnote is endnote. Sometimes you have the lots of notes, then definitely footnote will take the spaces. So you want at the end of the page, you should specify all kind of notes. So that is endnote. That is endnote. Is it? So these are the very important options like footnote and table of contents. Now the next and the important is, see, you can show the notes by clicking here, show notes. All the notes will appear. But see what I'm saying, if you have a lots of notes, then it is not possible to insert the full note. Because see, if you have the lots of notes, then it will increase the, it will take the lots of space from your page na, बहुत सारी space ले लेगा आपके page की. So the better is you should insert the end note. Here is the option. You should Alt Control D and Alt Control F is a shortcut key to insert the footnote or insert the end. Suppose you want to insert the end note, then it will insert at the end of the page. At the end of the page. For example, here I inserted some end note. And I am having so many pages. Then at the end of the pages, will have the end. एकदम last में आएगा. Okay. So end note and footnote. If anybody wants to know something, so many features I covered. So many features I covered. Anybody else? Chandreshwari, what you want? Chaudeshwari, what you want exactly? Ma'am, can you please teach me again? I'm not getting it. For which you are talking about? Yes, Chandrasekhar, very good. Appreciated those students who are regularly giving me the answer. I'm appreciated. Chaudeshwari, please, can you repeat your just like again? Give me the feature name. Which feature you want from my side? I should teach it again. No? Okay, fine. Okay. Let me see. I'm going to send you the one QR code. So just join, all of you should join the WhatsApp group. I'm going to send you, okay, through the chat. So please give me 5 minutes. I'm going to send you the one QR code, so that you can join my WhatsApp group, and I will send you the assignment through WhatsApp group. Wait a minute, so that I can upload you the QR code. Everybody can check this image. Is this visible? Please check your message. Check your message to join the WhatsApp group. Arch, I sent you the one like QR code. Please join the group using that QR code. I sent the one QR code. Please check. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So many students are joined. Try to join everybody. Huh? You have to submit the regularly the assignments. I'll send you the regularly assignment. Ishita, I sent you. So many students are already joined. Why QR code is not visible? Only 39 students have been joined. Okay, I'm telling you. See, check my screen. Take the screenshot. Check the screen. Check the screenshot. Is it visible now? Is it visible? Fast join it. Okay, at the end of the session, you should join now because it is taking the time. I'll open this. I'll open this image after the class. So please join after the class. Okay, so I'm sure like table of contents and footnote is the features are very important in our field. So these are the features which is very important and we learn these features. Okay, that is table of contents. And now the next is bibliography. Next is bibliography. Bibliography, once you can make the bibliography, then you can insert anywhere. For example, to create a bibliography, manage source and then new. I'm going to create a new bibliography based on the article or the report. Okay. Then author, CMA, Vijay Joshi. Okay. And the title is audit report. Then year 2025. Publisher, city. If you want to add more citation, then you can add. Then, okay. And this is your bibliography. Anywhere you can insert. For example, you want to insert here. Then insert bibliography. See? And then suppose in the new page or new report also, you want to insert the bibliography. Then insert reference, insert bibliography. So manage source. Then you want this one, है ना? So copy. Okay. Update. Okay. So once you created the bibliography, then next time you should not create again and again and again, because same thing you have to write again and again now. Have you understood the bibliography? Understood the bibliography? Now mailing. This is very important tab. This is important tab. Make sure like previous feature is completed now. We learn the previous features. Anybody? QR code is visible now. So after the, like at the end of the class, I'll show you the screen of the QR code. Okay. But make sure like all the options, whichever we covered in the Word is clear. Now moving to the next feature, that is the mail merge. Mail merge. Again, I'm going to close every document. Okay, now next. File. Then now mail merge. Anybody knows about that, this feature? What is mail merge? What is mail merge? Now? Okay. Mail merge. As the name suggests, mail merge. Through that, in a mailing tab, there are create group, start mail merge, write and insert field, review result, preview result and finish. So today I'm going to give you the first understanding on labels. How can you create the labels of your name? So just create the labels, but before that you should select start mail merge labels. Make sure you are getting properly. Start mail merge and then labels. In a label, lots of lists are there. You can create here your own label or the like here is a 30 per page details. What top margin is 0.19. You should reduce that margin. Then label height, you should reduce. Label height, you want only 2 inch. Then side margin. Vertical pitch. Vertical pitch means like between two label, the gap, vertical gap, that is known as vertical pitch, but I'm reducing it. And horizontal pitch, I don't want horizontal pitch much more. I'm reducing. Then top margin I should reduce. Then label width 1 inch. Number across 5, but I don't want 5, I want 4. 4 into 4, 16 labels per page. Okay. Then okay. Now I should edit it. Okay, but still the width is too small because see, it is not like CMA Vijay, then after that Joshi is in the second line. So I should edit again. So that's mean label width. It should be increased. See, now it is fine, perfectly fine. Press new document. See how I created the labels of the my name. How I create the labels of the my name. And you are getting the label sheets from the market. You can take the label sheets from the market and you can take the printouts. मार्केट में ये स्टिकर वाली शीट्स मिल जाती है, आप इसकी प्रिंटआउट्स ले सकते हैं. Is it? How many students got how I can create the labels? Yes, it's a very powerful feature. But Aryan, I tell you about the labels first. How many students got how I created the labels? This kind of label. Make sure you created these labels. Make sure. Anybody wants to repeat it again or again? Okay, I'm going to repeat it again. Okay. So first of all, open a Word blank document. Open the Word blank document. File, new. After opening a blank document, in the mailing tab, start mail merge. Instead of letters, email message, use labels. Labels. And there are lots of labels available by default. See, these are the companies who provides you the label sheets in the market. But other customs like 30 per page or like, for example, Microsoft. Company name, you should select the company name. Then 30 per page. Then details. Now you want to edit because 30 per page means 10 into 330. But I want to reduce the top margin. So just reduce the top margin. And I want to reduce the side margin. Just reduce the side margin. I want to reduce the vertical pitch. Reduce the vertical pitch. And horizontal pitch, I also want the horizontal pitch. It should be reduced. Then label height. I want only 2 inch. Label height should be 2 inch. Label width. It should be increased. Then number across means columns. 5 columns, 4 rows. Okay. And okay. Now labels. You want to edit, then edit. CMA Vijay Joshi. Then 11 Mari Mata Choraha. Near enter. Indore. Okay. I edit completely my address. Then new document. Please select the new document. See, 4 rows, 5 columns. So how many labels in a one sheet? I'm having labels in a one sheet, 20. 20 labels in a single sheet. And you can purchase from the market. It is available in the market. Labels are available in the market. And insert in your printer and take the printouts of your labels. Is it clear? Okay, at the end of the batch, I will show you the QR code. First, presently concentrate on the class. See, this is a label. Through mailing labels, we can create this kind of labels. Very important, now very important. And once you insert now the address, then you will see this is the second document. First, you will have this is the second document. First, you will have this kind of document. See, and then how this document will appear? You have to select the labels from here. By selecting the labels from here, you will get label options. Then edit it, detail check, click on the details, and then set the margins and the number of rows and number of columns you want. Okay, so this should be edited. Just take the picture of this screen. Just take the picture of this so that you can edit in your labels. Completed. Any doubts you have? And afterward, you have to edit it. From where you can edit labels, then here you should edit it. And after editing, click on the new document. This was the second document. Automatically what? See, here it is showing me na 2 documents are there. Is it? How many students have created the labels? Understood the label, how to create the labels? Understood how to create the labels? No doubt. Very good. So should I move for the next feature? Done. Vipasa, very good. Wow, Prasad, you have created simultaneously. Very good. Speed is too fast. Very good, Prasad. Very good. And I told you earlier, I instruct you earlier, na, you should have the laptops while joining the class. This is the live class, na, you have to do the simultaneously. So you can take the much more advantages from this class if you have the laptops and you are doing the simultaneously work. So many students are already joined. How many students is still remaining? I am having 138 members. Very good. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. So I'm going to end the session. Any doubt? Thank you. Thank you. Mass mailing. Yes, very good. Utkarsh, we already gave you the QR code. I already gave you the QR code. And if you want, then please check. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Bye and take care.